Good evening. Welcome to the daily market analysis by sectors for August 9th, 2012 by howtotradesafely.com. Please note that this analysis is given for informational purposes, and please pause the video to read the legal disclaimer below. Today, before the market opened, news that the US trade deficit was stronger than expected. The US trade deficit narrowed. That, together with the weekly jobless claims, which fell unexpectedly, were bullish indicators. In spite of this, the market closed roughly unchanged. These are the numbers. Even though theoretically only the Dow Jones has gone up and the other three broader market indexes have gone up, you will notice that the change in the Dow Jones and the S&P is less than 0.1%, indicating that these two markets were roughly unchanged. The Nasdaq went up by 0.25%. The Russell 2000 was the best performing index, going up 0.34%. The VIX dropped a little, almost unchanged, so dropped by about 0.26%, while light crude oil remained almost unchanged with a difference of only 1 cent from yesterday. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You can see that we are now in a consolidation pattern. That's a spinning top doji at the top. Prices have remained roughly unchanged for the last 3 days. S&P 500 is showing a similar pattern. So is the Nasdaq. They're all showing consolidation patterns, and even the Russell 2000. The VIX is on a short, over the past 4 to 5 days, over this week it has dropped, but it's remaining unchanged. Light crude oil is also remaining unchanged for the past 3 days. Looking at the sectors, we can see that most of the sectors were relatively unchanged. In fact, we can say that only consumer staples, which is traditionally considered a defensive sector, went down, whereas 3 other sectors went up, these 3 being energy, materials, and technology in that order. All the other sectors remain unchanged. What does this mean? My take on this is that we are now in a consolidation pattern, and the market is going to make a violent move soon. Up or down, that I am not too sure about. My gut feeling is down, but that's only my gut feeling. I would caution you to be very careful with this market. Goodbye, and thank you very much.